Method of differences is pretty awesome, isn't it? We've got this really complicated summation, but we're just gonna start like adding them all up. Notice that some of them will cancel out and it's gonna get to this. Right, let's show it. Starting with the left-hand side, I'm gonna have the sum r equals 1 to n. Now it says the differences, so we're gonna be subtracting here. So let's rewrite the logs as ln r plus 1 minus ln r minus 1. Sorted. And then the sub in. So when r is equal to 2, that's actually our first value. We're going to get ln 3, and then we're going to be minusing ln 1. Now I'm going to add on ln, when I put in 3, ln 4, minus ln 2, and so on. So plus ln 5 minus ln 3. Let's do one more, plus ln 6 minus ln 4, plus dot dot dot. Okay, so we see that ln 3 and minus ln 3 cancel, the ln 4 and the minus ln 4 cancel, and this pattern is now going to kind of carry on also for ln 5 and ln 6. It's just ln 1, minus ln 1 and minus ln 2 that we're left with. And if we go on to look at the higher values, we're going to be left with 2 up there because the ones that kind of don't cancel out at the upper end. Then I'm going to get, right, if I start from the very end, I think this is quite a good tactic. We're going to be minusing ln n minus 1 and adding ln n plus 1. Now you can actually see it's the second and the fourth that stayed, so it's going to be the second to last and the fourth to last that stay as well because they haven't got a matching pair. But I'll just write this convincingly. So then it'll be minus ln n minus 2 and ln n. Actually, I can write that a bit closer. Ln n. And we'll just keep working backwards. So minus ln n minus 3 and ln n minus 1. I think that's probably enough. We can now see that these cancel. The n minus 2 will cancel with the one that I didn't write down, and then the n minus 3 will as well. And you can see I'm left with the second to last and the fourth to last like we had before. That is convincing enough. So then I've got ln n plus ln m plus 1 minus ln 2, because this is actually 0. Ln 1 is just 0. And this all comes together as ln n m plus 1 over 2. I'll put it in a bracket, and that is our right-hand side. Brilliant. Okay, I'll just say left-hand side is right-hand side. Hence, find the exact value of this summation here. So it is going to equal the sum from, now I want to use the first part. Remember, that was a sum from 2 to n. So let's go from 2 to 100. And then I'm going to minus the sum from r equals 2 to 50, because that will leave me 51 to 100. I'm going from 2 to 100, and then I'm adding 2 to 50, and if I subtract them, I'll be left with 51 to 100. Now, in each of these cases, we can use the method of differences equation that we've got. So I'm going to get ln, and then this first one is just 100 times 101 over 2. Then I'm minusing ln 50 times 51 over 2. I can bring this together. I mean, you can start cancelling things down, but nah, let's not do that. It's just going to be ln 100, 101 over 2 all over 50, 51 over 2. These are going to cancel. You could keep change flip if you prefer. And then the 50 and 100 are going to partially cancel, which leaves us ln 202 over 51. Brilliant.